got a quick video for you this week. I'm going to show you how I make my pistachio paste that I easily incorporate into so many of my desserts. So let's get right into it. It's so easy to do, and I love keeping pistachio paste in the freezer for later use. All you need is a food processor or a blender, a clean kitchen towel, and of course, raw pistachios. I'm using unsalted, unshelled pistachios here, and I'm going to pour hot boiling water into the bowl so that it completely covers the pistachios. Let that sit for 1 to 2 minutes. You're going to then drain the water and place the pistachios on a clean kitchen towel. You'll notice that they are even more vibrant, which is what we want. Having them soak in hot water helps to remove the brown skin more easily so that we have a beautiful green paste. If you don't have a clean kitchen towel on hand, feel free to use paper towels. So here you'll see I'm just rubbing the pistachios against the kitchen towel. Some of the pistachio skins will just fall right off, but you should also know that some of them will be a bit more finicky, but I try not to focus on removing all the skins. As long as you get most of it, you will create a beautiful green color. So here I just have a few in my hands, and I'm just quickly removing the skins and placing the skinless pistachios into the bowl. Again, it doesn't have to be completely skin-free to get that beautiful green color. I mean, if you have the time and patience, then go for it. So I've placed the pistachios in a food processor, and I'm going to start off by adding 2 tablespoons of water. After a minute, I'm just going to scrape the sides, and since I want a smoother texture, I'm going to add another tablespoon of water. Keep mixing it until it turns into a smooth consistency that you're happy with. Add an additional tablespoon of water if you think you need it. I'm liking this consistency, so I'm going to finish it off with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and something I love to add is 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. The almond extract is optional, but I love adding it to add that light, nutty flavor to enhance the pistachio taste. You can smooth it out more by continuing to mix it with your food processor, but I'm pretty happy with this consistency, and it works so well as a filling or mixing it with your cake batter or frosting. As I said before, I love storing this in the freezer so that I can create a pistachio dessert whenever I feel like it. Just be sure to store it in an airtight container and cover the top with plastic wrap to prevent oxidation and so that it also maintains the flavor. It stores well in the freezer for 3 months. Just defrost it in the fridge the day before using. You can also store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. I hope you found this helpful, and if you decide to try this method out, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for tuning into this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.